Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Jira Software for sprint planning, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the Jira Software website. Log into your account or create a new one if you don't have an existing account. Once logged in, select the project you want to set up for sprint planning. On the project dashboard, click on the backlog option in the left sidebar. This will bring you to the backlog view, where all your issues are listed. To create a new sprint, find the Create Sprint button located above the backlog. Click on Create Sprint to add a new sprint section to your backlog. Now, you'll need to add issues to your sprint. Drag and drop the issues from the backlog into the newly created sprint section. Ensure you prioritize the issues in your sprint based on their importance. Next, click on the sprint name to open the details. Here, you can adjust the sprint duration by selecting start and end dates. Make sure to add a sprint goal to clarify the focus and objectives for the team. Once everything is set, click on the Start Sprint button to initiate the sprint. Monitor progress through the Active Sprints view, which will give you real-time updates on the tasks. Encourage daily stand-ups to review the status of each issue within the sprint. At the end of the sprint, click on the Complete Sprint button to finalize it. You can then review the sprint report to analyze your performance. This includes key metrics like completed versus incomplete issues. Finally, gather feedback from your team to continuously improve the sprint planning process. With these steps, you will have Jira Software configured for effective sprint planning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.